Good afternoon, students, all the students of class 10th. My name is Brijesh Rai and we are going to start the fourth chapter of your book, First Flight. Name of the chapter is From the Diary of Anne Frank. I am going to explain it, but before we go to the main text, let's have an introduction of the writer Anne Frank. Right? So I think you all are ready. Anneliese Marie Anne Frank, 12 June 1929, February March 1945, was a German-born Jewish girl who wrote while in hiding with her family and 4 friends in Amsterdam during the German occupation of the Netherlands in World War II. Name of the writer is Anne Frank. Full name is Anneliese Marie Anne. Okay, she was born in 1929, 12 June, and died in 1945. So her life was not very long. It was a short duration, and she wrote this book while she was hiding with her family members and friends during the World War II. Her family had moved to Amsterdam after the Nazi gained power in Germany, but were trapped when Nazi occupation extended into the Netherlands. Means they first moved to Amsterdam from Germany to hide themselves, but there also Nazis occupied Netherlands as persecutions against the Jewish people. Means persecutions means here the Jewish people were being killed. So that's why as persecutions against the Jewish population increased, the family went into hiding in July 1942 in hidden room in her father Otto Frank's office building. Means again, when Netherlands also slipped into the hands of Nazis, whole family had to hide themselves in a office building of his father Otto Frank. Right? So yes, after 2 years in hiding, the group was betrayed and transported to the concentration camp system, where Anne died of typhus in Bergen-Belsen within days of her sister. Means there, when they were hiding in a office building of his father, there first of all her elder sister Margot died, and later in 1945 Anne Frank also passed away. They were living in that building, but somebody betrayed them मतलब किसी ने धोखा दे दिया, किसी ने सूचना दे दी नाजीज को, and they were captured and sent to where? Concentration camp system, where Anne died and sister also died, mother died. Only the single survivor was his father Otto. After the World War II, when the World War ended, his father returned back to Amsterdam, and there he found the diary that was written by Anne Frank. So you can see here, only survivor, her father Otto, the only survivor of the group, returned to Amsterdam after the war ended to find that her diary had been saved. Convinced that it was a unique record, when he saw the diary, he was very pleased. He was very happy that each and every record of his daughter was safe. He took action to have it published in English under the name of the Diary of a Young Girl. and he decided to get it published in English language. The diary was given to Anne Frank for her 13th birthday and chronicles the event of her life from 12 June 1942 until its final entry of 1st August 1945. Means you can see that at the age of 13 she died, and on her 13th birthday this English published edition was given as a gift on her 13th birthday by his father. The last entry in the diary was on 1st August 1944. It was eventually translated from its original Dutch into many languages and became one of the world's most widely read books. Means the book was written in original language, that is Dutch, but later it was translated into different languages of the world and became one of the most renowned, most famous book in the world. There have been several films, television and theatrical productions and even an opera based on the diary. On the base of this diary and entries, different films were made, television programs were made, operas were made, theatrical programs were made. Means it became one of the buzzword at that time. Described as the work of a nature and insightful mind, the diary provides an intimate examination of daily life under Nazi occupation. Means this diary was a minute and very you can say clear description of what happened with the people under the Nazis, under the Nazi occupation. Anne Frank has become one of the most renowned and discussed of the Holocaust victim. Holocaust victim means जहाँ पर मैसिव डिस्ट्रक्शन हुआ हो, बहुत ज़्यादा नुकसान हुआ हो और जो उसके विक्टिम्स होते हैं वो होलोकास्ट विक्टिम्स कहलाते हैं. एंड शी वॉज, Anne Frank was among one of them. So let's move to this was the introduction of Anne Frank, and now we move to the main chapter. Writing in a diary is a really strange experience for someone like me. Who is me? Me is Anne Frank. She says that writing in a diary was an strange experience for her. Why? Not only because I have never written anything before. It does not mean that she did not write anything else before that. There was the reason. But also because it seems to me that later on, neither I nor anyone else will be interested in musings of 13-year-old schoolgirl. Why? Because she was worried and she knew that वो खुद भी या कोई अन्य भी इस तरह की किसी किताब में कोई इंटरेस्ट नहीं दिखाएगा, किसी बुक में कोई इंटरेस्ट नहीं दिखाएगा जो एक 13 साल के बच्चे ने लिखी हो. Oh well, it doesn't matter. I feel like writing and I have an even greater need to get all kind of things off my chest. Get all kind of things off my chest. She says, but I don't care. It doesn't matter that someone will pay attention to my writing or not, or I will look into this diary again in future or not. But she says that it is important for me. For what? To get all kinds of things off my chest. Means इसका मतलब ये होता है to remove the burden of her heart, means whatever was there in her mind and whatever was going on in her mind, she wanted to share with someone, and diary was one of the best source. We will continue the chapter in next video. Thank you very much.